Wedding seasons is here. In India, weddings are not just as a occasions, it is a festival of 5 days. Each day we are celebrating one ceremony. Hi, I am Pooja, beauty and travel content creator. If you like my effort, please like, share, subscribe and comment. So, as I said, we are celebrating marriage as 5 days. So, each day it's ceremony. So, let's start with the Mehendi look. So, Mehendi look is basically your green eye makeup look. So, it's a type of makeup that features shades of green on the eyes to enhance and emphasize the color. It can include various green hues such as emerald, mint, or forest green, and can be applied in different styles such as smoky eyes, wing liner, and subtle wash up color. So, today I'm trying to create the subtle wash up colors. So let's start. To explain green eyes makeup further, it is important to consider factors such as your skin tone, the eye shape, and preference to create a look that complements your features. But today I am trying to create a look which can suit for all kind of eyes. It's basically the reverse glitter eye makeup. It's kind of experiment I did, and then turns out really very good. So let's start it together. So first you need to start by applying the primer to your eyes and then create a smooth base for the eyeshadow. Then you have to draw a wing liner with the help of the wing liner brush. So you need to use a black eyeliner to the line to your upper lash for the definition, or you can use brown eyeliner, that also looks good. Then the next step, so before I continue with the eye makeup, I just want to inform you, like, I applied my lipstick first because I want to match the lipstick with my eyes, because sometimes the green eye doesn't make good matching for the lip. So that's what I applied lipstick first. Then now you can see, like, I completed the eyeliner drawing the eyeliner. So to do a little bit more drama, so I draw a little bit elongated line towards the inner side, like a U shape. And then I little bit extended my eye look from the inner side also. You can follow the video to how to draw this line. Now the look is completed for the first step. Now let's move to the next one. So you can keep it like that. It looks also looks good regular way. If you want to go some outside, then you can apply like this and go. It really looks good. Now the next step is, as I said, I'm trying to do the reverse glitter eye makeup. So I took one so I pick one duochrome eye pencil and smudge it towards the inner side along with the black base toward, and continuously do it till 3/4 of my eyes, not covered till mid center of the eyes. Then I pick one clean brush and smudge it so it looks a seamless look. Now you can see how it looks. Now it looks good also. You can leave it like this also with clear base and outer side little bit glitter also looks very good. It's preference how you like it. But yeah, now let's move to the next step. So just you need to pick one light color green eyeshadow from the palette as a base color and apply all over your eyelids. Okay, till the glitter ends. The duochrome, you draw it like till the glitter ends, you need to smudge it. Do the same way another eye also. Now pick the same light color green eyeshadow and smudge it to the lower lash line along with the black one, and try to connect it into the upper line. It looks really good, so try to do this. And now you can see the lower one is completed, the upper base is also completed, and the outer you have already did the glitter one. Now take a light color, brown color matching with your skin tone, and just little bit like a rough brush, clean brush, rough way. You just need to clean it like in the upper the crease line, back and forth, and just as per your convenience, your satisfaction, you just sprayed it, and that's it, it's done. Now you can see the green eye makeup is completed. In this light you are not able to see the glitter makeup. I will take the pictures from the sunlight. You can see how it reflected. Optionally, you can add some Mehendi inspired designs using a fine eyeliner brush in a contrasting color. That depends if you want to do this. But for me, it enough means like I want to create a subtle eye look, so it's easy and it will not take enough time, because every day we have different ceremonies, so we don't have enough time to go everyday parlor and do our makeup. So it's a subtle look, you can achieve it at home with your palette. Inner side of the eye you can apply little bit green glitter to enhance your eye look. Now it is completed, and you can complete this look with finish up this look with a few coats of mascara to enhance your lashes. And you can apply a light color brown color lipstick, or I really prefer here to apply the pink color lipstick. It depends how you like the color. If you are very fair, so go with the brown color. If you are in my skin tone, I suggest to go with the pink color. Now little bit more blush on your cheek, and highlighting your features like your nose and head. And I think that's done. Your mehendi look is completed. Now you just do your hairstyle and dress up. I have added some of the videos, you can refer it. You can see the how the glitter is reflecting under the sun. So yeah, it is daytime look. Mehendi is preferably daytime look, so it really comes out very good. Thank you for watching. So, and please subscribe. Most important, if you like my content, if you want, I will come up with new ideas, so please comment. Thank you, see you next time, bye.